Hello, pretty kitty. Kiki. Oh. Oh, you're just so gorgeous. You're gorgeous, Kiki. She said, I know. That's when you know. Ain't it, Kiki? Oh. The kitties are all sleeping in my room. And they made a big mess last night. I was wanting to see if I could get a little video of the birds. Can't really open the door because when I do, they fly off. There are lots of them out there today on the snow day. It looks like it's trying to melt. See out there, Kiki? She's looking too. Let me get closer. Let me get closer. Look how many. They're on the ground, they're on the table. But if I open the door, they would fly away. You see them? You see the birds out there? Huh? You see the birds, Kiki? A kiss. The screen on the windows making it not so clear. They're all over the feeder, all over the yard. So pretty. You like it, baby? You like looking at the birds? They're everywhere. Yeah, they are. It'd be a shame to miss this sight. On the table, on the feeder, on top of the feeder, oh, in the bushes, in the bushes and everywhere. Yeah. You like looking at them? Hmm? Look at them in the bush. I love it. I love it.
Look here, I found an even better deal.
My goodness at the birds.
6 pieces for my cactuses.
I could go on and on about this. Cardinals galore. Look at that one sitting in the bush.
Head to the checkout.
So beautiful.
Battery held up and so on. Take a second look over here.
I have a lot of family members that's passed, but I don't know if it's this many. Well, you see them? Hmm? You see them, Kiki?
Sure.
You see them?
I can't get over I got one little Christmas light. Look at this.
You like them?
I collect for the outside. I collect frogs. I got different poses. I got one kind of like that.
Ooh. Look at them sitting up there. There's even some I've never seen. bird with red in it, but it's not a cardinal.
They said they was gonna leave their tree up
I don't know what that is.
and decorate it for each holiday.
There's the little bird.
Easter, Valentine's Day.
They're everywhere, Kiki.
I never put one.
You'd have a time out there. Yeah, you would.
I didn't. I don't know why. I wasn't feeling it. I just had my little Grinch tree up.
Wonderful.